Hi, my name is Kim and I work for a consulting firm. Today I'm going to show you the My Filters functionality. My coworker requested updated timelines for March. Easy. Let's go into the project box and into the social media project. Here we're going to be in the timeline view since we're focusing on timelines for this request. First, I'm going into the tasks I created. This allows me to see all the tasks I've created regardless of whether I'm assigned to it or collaborating on it. This is just ensuring a thorough coverage of all of my tasks. I can see here that the tasks I've created have all of their timelines set for March. Excellent. I love that I can see all of this with one simple glance instead of having to click into each task card. Next, I'm going to select tasks I'm assigned to. These are all the projects I'm directly responsible for. Here I can see that the week 3 blog post doesn't have a timeline set up. I know that this blog post happens to be due this Friday, and I started it today, so I'm going to draw this timeline up quickly. Here we go. Doing this updates the metadata within the task card as well, so I don't have to duplicate efforts. I love that it's so easy to stay on task with Swit. Lastly, to be thorough, I'm going into the tasks I'm collaborating on filter. Here I can see every task I'm helping with. Okay, so I see that this new logo campaign is here. I know that it has been pushed a week, so I'm going to drag this end date to the following Friday. It's so nice to see and be able to adjust these timelines from this view. If I click into the task, you can see that the metadata within the task card has been automatically changed, so I don't have to re-enter the data, making this super quick and easy. Now I'm deselecting all of these filters, and I'll let Annie know that my timelines are all set for the month. That's all for my filters. I'm excited to hear about how you use my filters and how it keeps you organized for a seamless workday.